Okay. Colin, put your shoes back on. Okay. So let's try this one. I want you to find the slope between 5, -4 and 0, 1. Do you want to do this as a class, or do you want to try this by yourself to see if you can do it? All right. Try it by yourself. There are 2 ways you can do this. First way is to graph those points and think about the rise divided by the run and write it as a fraction. Or you can do that y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 trick. Where's your computer? Did you get a password? Yeah. Good. We're taking notes. So I don't care if you graph it and figure out the rise over the run, or you do y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, but everybody's trying this right now. If you need a calculator to help you out with those negatives, go grab one. Do not just sit there.
Where are your graphs from my I got 45. Yeah. What'd you get? Yes, I got 45.
If I could do this thing,
No, don't listen to Colin if he got 45. Don't listen to Colin.
Everybody should be trying this right now.
Your best. When I did this, I got I got 40. Either way, it's negative 1.
How do we do
Okay, so everybody tell
It's 5 minus 0.
watch the video.
No, I did not.
The whole
5.
Okay, I expect you to go back and do that. So you do this with the graph, or you can do this with, you want to do with the graph? Okay. So basically you say,
Wait, so it
it goes from 5, -4, 5, -4, to 0, 1. And so that is now how far between 1 and -1.
Okay, I'm not, that's not bad.
And then it goes
too
over
good.
from 0 to 5.
Alright,
The answer is -1.
I'll just rewrite it.
So first you
What's
rise,
my
so the rise is how far it's up or down, and run is how far it's up or right.
Or you can do that equation where it's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 if you just
Mark those down.
It's got
All right. If you did this correctly, you should get a slope of -1. So hands up if you would like a prize for explaining to us how to do this. Okay, hey, I don't have patience for those of you who like to say that you do not understand how to do this, but also you're not even trying these problems right now. Take responsibility for your own learning. 1, 2, 3 in the back, 4, 5, 6. All right. Number 4. Did you do it with a graph or with y1 minus y2?
I did both, but I'll do the formula.
Okay.
So I did -4 minus 1 over 5 minus 0. And then so -4 minus 1 is -5.
Mm-hmm.
And then 5 minus 0 is 5. And then you divide that, you get -1.
Beautiful. If you were to graph it, if you made a little graph right here, you would have said, okay, so here's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 5 over, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's that one. And see, to go from here to here, you have to go down 5 and over 5, which would make negative 5 over 5, which is negative 1. Either way works, a graph or an equation. You need to know how to do both. All right, grab a prize, Riley. Example 4.
Turkey? There's no turkey.
Get the chicken.
Find the slope between,
Or do I want a tattoo? Yes, you want a tattoo.
No.
Tattoo Riley.
Get the
Right on your
ram.
neck.
Get the
I
ram.
can't get it on my neck, but I'll get a tattoo.
okay, we'll do it in a minute. All right, find the slope between negative 2, negative 5, and 4, negative 5.
Yeah, put it on your neck.
Who is up for just taking me through this? Just giving it a shot.
I get it now, not really. Kind of.
Really helps when you do the problems. All right, so Dylan, you're 1. Renee, you're not interested? You are?
Sure.
Put your hand down, Riley. Renee's 2. 3. Emily, yes? You're 4. 5. 6. 7. Three.
That's cool.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to do now I'm telling you right now, hey Colin, this is a tricky one. I'm doing it tricky on purpose. Yeah, this is going to be a problem, but start it for me. You'll still get a prize.
Okay,
Equation or graph?
I'm doing the equation with.
Okay. So y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Which one did you call point 1? This one or that one?
The left.
So this is like x1, y1?
No, it's the other way around.
So this one over here is x1, y1. You didn't put y1 first, did you?
Yeah, I did do Y.
Okay, so the x goes first in a point.
Okay.
You just have to decide which one is 1 and which one is 2. So,
So 1, 2, that's fine.
okay.
So it's negative 2 minus 4.
Okay, look again. Rewrite it on your paper that x1 is negative 2 and y1 is negative 5. And on the top has to be the y's.
And the top has to be 1, 2. Oh, okay. So it's negative 5
Yes.
minus negative 5. So you do that dash dash and you slash slash, right?
Yeah, we're going to slash slash,
So it's negative 5 plus 5,
which is
negative 10, right?
negative 5 and 5 cancel each other out and make
0.
0.
Pretty close. And then we got negative 2 minus 4, which would be
That's like a negative 2 and a negative 4, which makes it more negative, which makes
negative 6.
nice. What's 0 divided by anything?
0.
0. Okay, now what we're going to do really quick is we're also going to graph these. And everybody's going to try this. All right, so here's negative 2, negative 5. And here is 4, negative 5. All right, do you guys see that it's just a flat line?
Yup.
So flat line, in fact, I'm going to write horizontal right next to it. A flat line has a slope of 0. Every time you have a flat line, it has a slope of 0, and that's the thing I definitely want in your notes. Colin, come get a prize.
There's a capybara?
Yeah,
Where?
somewhere.
Good job.
Yeah, tiny horse, tiny sheep, cow,
Big chicken.
I
big
want-
goat.
Get the goat.
Get the chicken.
Actually, yeah,
Puppy.
chicken.
No, chicken.
All right,
Puppy.
last one. I'm actually gonna, maybe I can do it. All right, find the slope between negative 3, 4 and negative 3, negative 2. All right, I'm gonna start going through it with you guys. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. Y1 is 4. Y2 is negative 2. X1 is negative 3. X2 is negative 3 as well. So it should be 4 minus a negative 2 divided by a negative 3 minus a negative 3. What do we do if there's two minuses in a row? Dash, dash, slash, slash. Which makes what on the top? 6. And on the bottom? Okay, hands up for who knows what the answer is when you divide by 0. This is a prize. Hands up for the answer when you